H&Z Kids Squad. Welcome back to H&Z Kids Show. It's me, Haika, and today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy M30s. I am so excited. I think that this phone is going to be awesome for a gift. Triple camera, 6000 megahertz battery, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixels triple rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 64 GB memory and 4 GB RAM. So let's open it. Whoa, look at the phone. Here we have the let's see what's in here. We have some manuals. You have your quick start guide, your warranty card. See if anything else is in here. Nope, this does not have a cover. So it has a triple camera and it has a 6000 megahertz battery. Whoa, that's amazing. Look at the phone, you guys. It looks amazing. Look at, we have a charger. Oh, sweet. We have some headphones. We also have this charger. Here we have the SIM remover. Whoa, look at the shading of the phone. Whoa, look at the screen. Guys, look at that. That is so beautiful. Look how it's blue and then black. Whoa. Let's turn it on. Samsung Galaxy M30s powered by Android. And there it says Samsung. Starting Android. Let's go. So here we have Play Store, Gallery, Galaxy Store, and you can make calls on this, text on this, and we have this app, and we have your camera. And this is Google, and you have like Google, Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube. Let's check the device care. 100%. You will get 50 GB free storage. Now let's check the camera and see what this phone can do. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please remember to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button like this. Please turn on those notifications, and bye bye. See you in our next video. It's gonna be awesome.